Off-roading is bound to get messy. Your wheels will be kicking up dirt, mud, and water, depending on where you're riding.
Today we have 3 different door accessories for the Maverick X3 model to show you, each one with their own benefits, so let's check them out. By adding doors to the side of your Maverick X3, you increase protection for both the driver and passenger from kicked up dirt and debris. Whether you choose a full-length or a half-door model, they'll go a long way at keeping the dirt out.
Our first product, the front lower door panels, are designed to be a simple add-on. By closing off the bottom, they can transform the stock Maverick X3 door into a half door. The panels fit into the bottom of the existing frame, designed to close off the stock door and keep the elements out. What's more, they look so sleek. They're also made to match the vehicle's color for a totally seamless look.
If you want to double down on protection, these soft doors seal up the upper half of the cabin. They're a perfect match for the lower doors or the aluminum doors we'll talk about next. While this accessory is great at keeping the dust and dirt out, it's also helpful during the colder months. Combine these doors with the lower and you'll keep the chill on the outside of your vehicle.
To that point, these doors are also ideal for riders who add a track kit to their Maverick X3. They'll transform it into a backcountry explorer, which I find really cool. And last but not least, these aluminum half doors will give your vehicle a super modern look. They've got a sleek black powder coat finish, which is scratch resistant.
The smooth finish makes it easier to wrap the vehicle, helping you stand out from the crowd. Instead of the usual pull string latch, this model has an inside and outside door handle. This makes it even easier to open the doors, especially when paired with an upper door panel.
3 different doors, 3 great ways to protect you and your passenger from the elements. Kicking up dust and dirt is half the fun of off-roading, but let's keep these elements on the outside. Want more Can-Am product breakdowns? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Can-Am Off-Road. If you want to see a specific accessory featured on product series, let us know down in the comments. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you out on the trails.